What is up, guys? In today's video I am going to show you how to delete your Instagram account permanently. I'm also going to show you how to delete it temporarily. So let's get started right now. So what you want to do, guys, you want to open your Instagram account, of course, and at the very bottom right you want to click your profile picture here, and then you want to click at the three little dots in the top right corner, and after that a few different options will show up here. You want to click at the first option, which is settings. Just click settings and then click account. As you can see here, guys, account, and then scroll down a little bit until you see delete account. As you can see here, delete account, just click it. I'm going to click it right now, and then Instagram is going to ask you if you want to delete it, or if you want to delete your account or deactivate your account. If you want to go back to your account, maybe you changed your mind and then you want to go back to your account, you can select the first option. But if you want to delete it permanently, just click the second, like just select the second option, which is delete account. I'm going to click it now, and then click the red continue deleting account. Just click continue deleting account, and then Instagram is going to take you to a new page where you can select the reason why you want to delete your Instagram account. For me, just click here and just click here and then select the reason why you want to delete your account. For example, for me, I'm just going to select too many ads because ads are very annoying. So you have to re-enter your password, and then when you click here and then re-enter your password here, and then click done, and then click delete your account, which is when you click this blue button here, your Instagram account is going to be deleted permanently. But if you want to delete it temporarily, click in the video on the screen right now, and then you will learn exactly how to delete it temporarily. See you guys in the next video. I hope this video helped you. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you guys in the next video.